Hi Oscar.
Hi.
What are you playing with today?
I play a vacuum cleaner.
What sort of vacuum cleaner?
Dyson.
A Dyson, just like Mummy's.
Yeah.
Yes, today Oscar is playing with the Casdon Dyson Ball vacuum cleaner aimed at children age 3+, and it's basically got a working suction and it picks up little bits off the floor just like Mummy's real vacuum cleaner, and you can empty the dust box, and it has realistic sounds. So it's like a let's pretend toy, because children like to copy Mummy and Daddy, don't you? And so we thought that Oscar would really appreciate a vacuum cleaner that can help Mummy to clean up.
Yeah, and baby, if you put your phone on the floor, I will hoover your phone.
I'm not putting my phone on the floor so you can hoover it up. But I haven't hoovered in here today, so there should be like a few little bits on the floor that hopefully the Dyson Ball vacuum cleaner will pick up. Where are you going? Hello? I've lost my little helper. Come on then. So we're going to open the box and see what's inside. So guys, we've unboxed the Dyson and this is what it looks like. Super realistic. And it takes 4 C-size batteries, which we've just popped in. And now if Oscar presses the red button on the front, you will see how it works. Okay, so to start off with, this is just on a normal mode, not on suction mode. So on this mode, it shouldn't pick anything up off of the floor. So if you can just turn it off for a second, Oscar. And Mummy will find the on and off button, which is on one of the sides. Oh, the on and off button is actually on the back. If you go onto on and then press the red button, it'll actually pick up anything on the floor. So Oscar, are you going to give Mummy's floor a bit of a hoover? That's it.
Oh, it looks dirty.
As you can hear, it has some really cool, realistic vacuum cleaner noises. And I love that the balls go round and round as well when you're cleaning up.
Wow.
Oh, that was super cool. What you did then, Oscar, you sort of like twisted it to the side.
Yeah, I let me just do it. Are you ready?
Oh, wow.
I like it. Which one goes?
So, Mummy will have Oscar doing all her hoovering from now on.
Move it up. Is there anything in there?
It should be, I'll show you in a minute.
That's really cool. Hello, my name is Mr. Vacuum Cleaner.
Wow.
What's out?
Are you hoovering my feet? You little monkey.
Look. It said off. It's so fussy.
Can you feel it? It does feel kind of sucky. Is that weird? Feels like it's going to vacuum you up, doesn't it?
It's really cold.
Really cold, yeah.
Inside is black.
Well, that's the air that picks up the bits of fluff on the floor. But for some reason, it's not working.
I can do I.
Oh.
I can do I.
Okay, have a go.
I missed it. Elbows?
I think it picked up the smaller pieces of cloth. Maybe it needs breaking down. Down a little bit. I think maybe this bit could do with being on the floor a little bit better. It only sort of goes down when you push it. Okay, Oscar, I see what we've been doing wrong now.
Wow.
To make this bit down here go flat to the floor, what you have to do is push this bit really, really hard and then hoover like this. And then when you send it back up, it goes back down. Oh, you don't like the noise? Oscar's not a big fan of loud noises, so he's not keen when this bit clicks back up. But that's okay. So if we turn the vacuum cleaner onto its back, there is actually a dust box in the back. And is there any dust inside, Oscar? Let's have a look.
I did it!
Let's have a look. Is there anything inside this time?
Oh, yeah.
Have a look. Oh. There was, it tipped this bit out. This bit was in there. The bit of Kinder Egg wrapper that Oscar just got me to clean up a second ago. That was in there. That fell out when you opened it. Did you enjoy playing with the Dyson ball pretend vacuum cleaner today?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very cool, isn't it? I really enjoyed it. And if you guys at home enjoyed watching Oscar attempt to clean up my bedroom today, please give this video a big thumbs up. And we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you guys again soon for another video.
Bye!